Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Samantha from American Girl Dolls. So let's get started. To draw Samantha, we're going to first start by drawing this curve for her face. Sorry, I forgot to record this part in the beginning. Now that we have this curve in, let's come into this area right here where we started and draw her eye. So I'm going to draw a big circle right next to the edge. And another circle on the other side. Right there. Once again, towards the edge. There. So then let's make them draw us a cute eye. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. And the lines at the bottom. So from there, let's come to the edge right here and we're just going to draw a small little curve for the lashes. So we're just going to make it very simple, and same thing over here. And then from there, let's come in the center and give her a sweet smile. So right in the center and cap it off. From there, let's come over here and we're going to start to draw her bangs. So it's going to be right over her eyes. So I'm just going to come in here and just come once in a while, just break it up. But it's going to be right over her eye. And I'm just going to aim to go all the way across. So here and there, just break it up so it's not too stiff. And come right back. And then let's come in here, right where the eye is, and we're going to draw her ear first. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Come in here with some details. And same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag some points across, make sure my ears are about the same size. There. So then now we can draw her head. So we're going to come right here, where the ears are, and we're going to go up. So about right here's the center. I'm just going to come about, let's say right here. And round it off. So here and there, just break it up into these angles so it's not too round. Okay, so then from there, let's come up here since we're up top and we're going to draw the bow. So about right here, I'm just going to go big curve, and then we're going to draw the first tail of the bow first. So one comes down and back in. And let's see, let's draw the other one. So right here, so once again, come out and back in. And then to draw the loops, we're going to come over here and in. And in. So there, we got her bow in for the top of her head, and that is basically it for that part. So then we're going to draw the rest of her hair a little bit later. Let's work on her body first. So we're going to come to the center and let's give her a tiny little neck right in the center. And I'm going to slope it down for her shoulders. So let's bring it out a little bit more. And from there, let's come in here and give her a little neckline for her collar. So she has this beautiful lace collar right here. So about right there, I'm just going to come in very lightly and draw a bunch of curves going all the way back. There. And then just going to lightly come in here for some more details. So we're just going to follow the outside. And then let's come and imagine her armpits about, say, let's see here, right here on both sides. And then I'm just going to bring down angle line. So we're going to give her a very short bodice. So in this area right here, I'm just going to start to bring it in for her dress and connect it. And then she has this little belt. So we're going to come in here and connect once again. Okay, so then let's see here, bring this in a little bit more. And from there, let's come out here and draw her sleeves. So it's a little bit poofy, so we're going to come out with a curve and bring it right back in. And then there's also some lace detail right here. And same thing on this side. So poof it out. Drag a point across so it's the same level on both sides. And ruffle for the lace. And let's see here. Then now let's draw her skirt. So we're going to come right here and poof out her skirt. And let's bring it down more. And a bit more on both sides. And about that much, we're going to come in here. We're going to draw a bunch of curves for the bottom. And we're just going to curve it all the way back here. There. So then right here, to separate the lace from the dress itself, we're just going to draw a wavy curve all the way back. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the hands. I'm making it very simple, just to her side. So about right here, I'm just going to bring an angle line down, follow that line, and right here I'm just going to give her a thumb. And let's draw her fingers. Bring it in here and connect it. So let's come over here and I'm just going to angle this out just a tiny bit so it's not so stiff. So it's right here, is follow that line. And we just want to make sure her thumbs are about the same area. So about right there. It'll be a little bit higher because this one's up a little bit. And her fingers. There. Now let's draw her legs. So in the center area right here, we're going to draw 2 angle lines. And come about right here, her hip. It's about right there. And let's bring this down. So we're tapering it as we go down towards her ankle. And about right here, we're going to come out with a curve for her shoe. And connect it. So same thing on this side. Pop this out a little bit and connect. So for some details, we're going to come in here. I think these are called Mary Janes, right? Curve, and then right here there's a strap on the ankle. There. Okay, so now to draw some details on this dress, because it's very flowy, it has lots of creases. I'm going to come in here and just whip out a bunch of these curves to make it look like it has these waves in there. So okay, so then from here on the top, we're going to do the same thing. And so that makes it look a little bit more ruffled. And on the sleeves as well. And so then let's finish off her hair. We're going to come about, let's see here, right here, outside of the ear. We're going to come right here and just wave her hair down all the way down and just tuck it in. So same thing on this side. So just right outside of her ear. And wave it all the way down. So there, that's pretty much it for Samantha from American Girl Dolls. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.